ukulele, well, it is an option. I'm going to give you a non-percussive option to do as well. So get ready. Day 14. I had to level up the challenge here. Make sure your ukulele is tuned. Mine is sounding a little twangy recently. I think I've played it so much because I stuck to it for the challenge. So it's like, so let's all change our strings as soon as we're done with the challenge. Okay, so let's get started. We've got an E minor 7 in the beginning. So the intro, or the first part, we're just going to do a down strum. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're counting your rests here. It's like super important that you give that space. And killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. The way I can tell someone who spends time practicing their craft and someone who doesn't is really in the rests. If someone rushes rests, I can tell like, oh, they haven't practiced like really listening to the song. So as you play, make sure you have those 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So many people just want to rush 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, don't rush it. Give the song that space. There is power in silence as well. So let's play through that intro really quick. 1, 2, take your time. Strumming my pain with his fingers. 3, 4. Singing my life with his words. 2, 3, 4. Killing me softly with his song, killing me softly. 3, 4. The song telling my whole life with his words, killing me. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Song. Now I'm gonna give you the non-percussive like option first, and then we'll try the percussive option. So we have a verse that we can add a little bit more beat to. So it'll be down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck. So in the beginning of the challenge, remember I told you the prerequisite for this one was that you finished the 30-day uke challenge. If you haven't done that yet, you might find a little bit of trouble here with the chuck, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. I'll put the tutorial here for you. Go ahead and spend time there. You really do need it for this one. There is no more like dodging things. Use this opportunity to grow. So we need to do down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. Okay? So we're going to play it throughout the entire verse. So let's just play through it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Let's go straight into the chorus. Same thing. 1, 2, ready, go. Wrong note. 1, 2, ready, go. Singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly. Do you recognize? This is the intro. The only difference is that we're now strumming through it. Okay, so and now let's focus on the percussive part because everything is a repetition of something we've already done. So the song chords, in essence, are not very difficult. I guess your biggest challenge would be the B7 If you wanted to play it the barred version, frets 2, 3, 2, 2. You can challenge yourself with that. We do have an E, but we've encountered that in the previous song as well. Please stop avoiding E. You're not going to grow by avoiding your hurdles. Okay, so the percussive. Now, my friend Larissa from Germany taught me this. So she said every ukulele has a bassy place, or place where it sounds the lowest when you tap on it. And she said you'll find that mostly around the bridge and saddle. So go ahead and tap with the side of your finger. Is it gonna hurt? Yeah, it's gonna be worth it though. Okay, so you're tapping. Now that's your beat 1. And strum down. And now we want a higher drum sound. So we're gonna tap either up here or over here. Look up, either side. Some people like to use a different finger. And some people like to flick. So what we're gonna do is a low sound. Look up real quick, look up, look up, look up, look up. It's gonna be low, strum, and then a high sound, strum. What we're mimicking is a drummer, right? And the drummer, the basic beat is gonna be drum set, then snare. So it's drum set, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat, drum set, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat. So this would be us, drum set, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat, drum set, hi-hat, snare, hi-hat. So with this song, it would go really fast, but I'm going to slow it down when we play it together, but I just want to give you an example. That's like super fast, just to give you an example of what we're aiming for. But let's do it slowly on A minor 7, so no fingers on the fretboard. So it's boom, strum, tap, strum, boom, strum, tap, strum. Okay, I'll count you it. 1, 2, ready, go. Now. D7. Again. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, you can do it. Go. Again, let's do it 2 more times. 1, 2. 1, 2, here we go. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. Okay, relax real quick. Again, if this is outside of your level right now, give me the first pattern that was down, up, tuck, up, down, up, tuck, up. That's totally okay. All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Chord there, but you get the idea on this. Percussive ukulele will be a lot easier with the straps, so I changed up straps today. I'm using one that I can bring a lot closer, plus baby is growing, so it makes less space down there. This is something that took me weeks to achieve, so don't feel bad or down on yourself if it's not working. I had a music teacher say Practice it as slow as you can without making mistakes. And there's no such thing as too slow. And so, can you do it at this speed? So practice it super slow. But other than that, that's the song. You have the option of giving me down strums throughout and being very dramatic with it, or down, up, down, up, for a really nice beat, or the percussive. Please continue sharing your videos using the hashtag. Even if you're watching this a year or 2 or 5 years later, I'm still following all those hashtags. We also have a Facebook group called Ukelandia, where we all bond and share pictures of our ukuleles, videos of what we're doing here, or maybe by the time you're watching this, we'll be on a different challenge, so it'll be kind of cool to see different people post of different challenges that they're doing when they're watching. So definitely join us in Ukelandia, and if you'd like play along videos to this tutorial and any other tutorial, join us on Patreon, where I do the play along videos there as an exclusive little perk for my patrons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara. I'll see you in the last one. Sayonara.